सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं। 250-उत्तर-चतुश्शततमी कक्षा अद्य 452 क्लास्। गतकक्षायां जानन्ति अन्तिम अध्यायस्य भगवद्गीतायाः 17 अध्याय शेषः वर्तते। इदानीम् अहं चिन्तितवान् 17 अध्यायः समाप्तः आसीत् न। 17 अध्याये तत्र केचन श्लोकाः पुनः लङ्घिताः। श्रीनिवास, सम् पोएम्स् हैव् बीन् स्किप्ड हियर्। 10 श्लोकतः 13 श्लोकपर्यन्तं, 10तः 13 श्लोकपर्यन्तम् एवं 3 श्लोकाः लङ्घिताः सन्ति। 3 poems from the original Bhagavad Gita have been skipped. So Trivida Yajna Vishayakaha, now we are going, I think they are dealing with Trivida Yajna Vishaya in the 3 poems what we are skipping here. Now Tapasya, I think Brahmacharya Ahimsa Shariram Tapa Uchyate. So Trivida Tapasya is going to be described here, Srinivas. Before that, let them see the board once before we move on with this sloka. Gata kakshayaha abhyasah षड् पञ्चाशत्तमे अभ्यासे सप्तमः अंशः तत्र लेखनीयः अस्ति। समयाभावात् लेखितुं न शक्तमासीत्, अतः 0.7 उन्नतः सो एतानि 4 तत्र उत्तराणि सन्ति। विग्रहवाक्यानि एव, विग्रहवाक्यानि। एकं तु उदाहरणरूपेण तत्र दत्तमस्ति पुस्तके, पश्यन्तु भवन्तः। इदानीं वयं गच्छामः। श्लोकं पठतु श्रीनिवास। ब्रह्मचर्यमहिंसा च शारीरं तप उच्यते। त्रिविध यज्ञ विषयक श्लोकान् तत्र त्यक्त्वा इदानीं वयं तपः सम्बन्धीन् श्लोकान् पठामः। देव पदच्छेदं करोमि। द्विज गुरु प्राज्ञ पूजनं शौचं आर्जवं ब्रह्मचर्यम् अहिंसा च शारीरं तपः उच्यते। सो शारीरं तपः नाम किं वा इति तस्य शरीरसम्बन्धी तपः। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः श्रीनिवास। देवद्विजगुरुप्राज्ञपूजनं शौचं आर्जवं, किं तत् शौचम् एकवचनं, एक तत्र मुद्रणदोषः, प्रक इति। आर्जवं ब्रह्मचर्यं अहिंसा आकारान्त प्रथमा एकवचनं समस्तु च अव्ययं शारीरं विशेषणपदं तपः सकारान्त उच्यते वच आत्मनेपदे लट् इति। आकांक्षां किञ्चित् पश्यामः। उच्यते, उच्यते कथ्यते, कथ्यते इति। किं उच्यते? What is said? It's called tapas. You know, there are several definitions we are coming across. Even one which I always give, which I like personally. Tapaha Swadharmavartitvam. So if everybody does his dharma, that is tapasya. But here different categorization is there. We will see that. So tapas is called. Kidrusham tapaha uchyate. What is the type of penance, austerity that is called here? Shariram. Shariram tapaha uchyate. It is called the bodily austerity. Austerity relating to the body. Kim shariram tapaha uchyate. What is called the bodily austerity?
Devadvija guru prajna pujanam shariram tapaha uchyate.
Devanam pujanam, dvijanam pujanam, gurunam pujanam, prajnanam pujanam. Evam devadvija prajna Kuru prajna pujanam shariram tapaha uchyate. What is called the austerity, the penance of the body is called the worshipping the gods, worshipping the learned people, worshipping the gurus, the teachers, and worshipping the wise men. Prajna, Panditanam, Buddhimataha, Tesham, Etadrishanam, Sarvesham, Chaturnam, Purushanam, Pujanam, Eva Shariram Tapaha Uchyate. So adoring, respecting them is called Sharira Tapasya. Then Punaschakim Shariram Tapa, again how the bodily austerity is described.
Shaucham shariram tapaha.
Shaucham api Shariram Tapaha. Api is not there, I am reading. Even cleanliness of the body, physical cleanliness, bodily cleanliness also is austerity of the body. Punaschakim Shariram Tapaha Uchyate. Again, what is called the bodily austerity?
Arjavam shariram tapaha.
Arjavam, straightforwardness. Shariram Tapaha is also being not only clean, but one should be clean and at the same time straightforward. Arjavam, Rujoha Margaha, Bhavaha. So, straight, being very upright. Straight means upright. A man who is upright is also doing the tapasya. That is Shariram Tapaha. Punaschakim Shariram Tapaha Uchyate. And again, how is the bodily austerity called again?
Ahimsa cha shariram tapaha uchyate.
Ahimsa. Na kevalam shaucham, na kevalam arjavam, ahimsa api tatra syat. Ahimsa, himsa rahityam api tatra yadi bhavati tadapi shariram tapaha uchyate. Even that will be called bodily penance, penance of the physical penance. Ahimsa, na himsa, ahimsa iti. So that is the akanksha. Anvayartham padatu.
Devadvija guru prajna pujanam shaucham arjavam brahmacharyam ahimsa cha shariram tapaha uchyate.
As I explained already, Deva, Vija, Guru, Prajna Pujanam, Etesham, Chaturnam Tatra, Devanam, Dvijanam, Gurunam, Prajnanam, Pujanam, Shaucham, Shuchitvam, Arjavam, Ruju.
Prajna, learned person.
Kim?
Prajna, what is it?
Prajna, Vidwan, Vidvamsaha. Prajnaha Vidvamsaha. Panditaha. Shaucham, Arjavam, straightforwardness, Brahmacharyam, celibacy, Ahimsa, non-violence. This is called Shariram Tapaha Uchyate. You will see the Padartha as given in the book. Devadvija Guru Prajna Pujanam.
Ishvarasya viprasya guroho manishinaha cha arja.
Devanam, gods, Dvija, of the learned scholars, Brahmanas, Guru, one's own Acharya, Prajna, Pandita. Deva, Brahmana, Guru, Pandita, Acharya, Panditanam, Pujanam. Iti. Then, Pujanam, Shaucham, Srinivas.
Mrujjalabhyam sharira shodhanam.
Sharira, Mrut Jalabhyam. Mrut, clay. Matti, Telugu Bhashayam. Mrut Jalabhyam. Mruda Jalenacha. Mrut Jalabhyam. Sharira Shodhanam. Sharira Marjanam. Shodhanam nama Marjanam. So cleansing the body with Shaucham means what? Parishuddhi. Shaucham means purity by way of cleansing the body with clay and water. Adbhihi gatrani shuddhyanti. That is what Smriti says. With adbhihi, with water, body becomes cleansed. And not only with water, but mruda api atra. Mruda jalena cha mrut jalabhyam sharira shodhanam bhavati iti. So tadeva shodhanam shauchamiti. Now Srinivas, Devaha means we know gods, but the interpretation is here. Brahma Vishnu Shiva Surya Durgadi Devataha. Brahma Vishnu Shiva Surya Agni Durgadaya Devataha. This is one interpretation given there. Then Guravaha, Gurus means teachers, but not only the teachers, Pitru Matracharya Adayaha. Pitru Matru Acharya Adayaha. Pitapi Guruhu, Matapi Guruhu, Acharyaha api Guruhu. Pitru Matru Acharyadayaha api Guru Shabdena Uchyanti. That is why Veda says Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. This place of Acharya is third place, only after parents. Mata Pitru Bhyam Anantarameva. पित्रोः अनन्तरमेव तत्र गुरोः स्थानमस्ति वेदेपि. Then some people have given as yes, Pitradaya means that is understood. Now Dvijaha Pujatyatvat Dvijottamaha. Pujatyatvat. So Dvijatayo Brahmanaha. That is very simple only. Okay, then we will go ahead. Arjavam. Saralyam. Avakrata. Vakrata. Avakrata. Arjavam. Rujoho. Brahmacharyam.
Stri samagama rahityam.
Nishiddha maithuna nivrittihi. Nishiddha maithuna nivrittihi. Moving away from sex which is prohibited. That is, withdrawing oneself from prohibited sex. This is the same thing. Stri samagama rahityam means absence of having any relation with. But more better this way, brahmacharya is nisiddha maithuna nivrittihi. Withdrawal from sexual activity which is prohibited. That is brahmacharya. Very nicely pointed by Madhusudana. Brahmacharya. This is also by him, I think. Then ahimsa.
Himsayaha tyagaha.
Praninam apidanam. Ahimsa. Ahimsa nama praninam apidanam himsayaha tyagaha. Shariram tapaha.
Sharira sambandhini tapasya.
Sharira sambandhini tapasya. Shariram tapaha. Tapasya, austerity relating to the body. Shariram tapah means Sharira Sambandhini Tapasya. Now you are observing here Sharira Sambandhini Tapasya. Tapaha iti shabdaha napumsakalinga shabdaha. Tapasya iti akaranta strilinga shabdaha asti. Ataha atra visheshanam katamasti. How is the adjective used for tapasya here? Sharira Sambandhini iti. Srilinga it is used. Going as an adjective for tapasya iti visheshya padam. Uchyate katyati. Uchyate nama katyati. Now we have come to understand what is called the bodily penance. The penance, austerity of the body. Kim tat tapaha, shariram tapaha, nama kidrusham bhavati, kidrusham katham va varnitam. Asmin sloke vayam idanim gnatavantaha. We have known that. Austerity of the body, bhavartam Srinivas.
Ishvarasya brahmanasya guroho manishinasya cha samarchanam shuddhehe palanam saralata ब्रह्मचर्यापालनं हिंसायाः त्यागः एतत् सर्वं
शरीरसम्बन्धिनी तपस्या कथ्यते। ईश्वरस्य भगवतः ब्रह्मणः ब्राह्मणस्य द्विजस्य गुरोः आचार्यस्य मनीषिणः विदुषः मनीषिणः नाम विदुषः च समर्चनं पूजनं शुद्धेः पालनं following what do you call purity, saralata means simplicity, brahmacharya palanam following celibacy, himsayaha tyaga giving up violence, etat sarvam all this sharira sambandhini relating to the body tapasya austerity katyate is called. Now I have not translated these words. Ishwarasya gods, Brahmanasya Brahmana, Guroho teachers, Manishinaha, that is a word used here, word Pragnasya, Pragna, Manishinaha, Cha Samarchanam Pujanamiti. I think okay. Worship of the gods, adoring the gods is better. That word I like, adoring. Adoring the gods, Brahmins, teachers and wise, purity, uprightness, continence, everything is good. Nidarshanam Pashyama Srinivas Vyakarnamshah Sandhi Ekah Eka Eva Tapa Uchyate Visarga Sandhi Samasa Chatusthayam Tatra Deva Dvija Guru Samasa Trayam Eva Deva Dvija Guru Prakta Pujanam Iti Ekam Padam
Devascha, Vijascha,
Dvijascha Guravascha
Prajnascha
Deva Dvija Guru Prajna Dvandva
Devadvija Guru Prajnanam Pujanam Shashti Tatpurusha.
So Prathama Adau Dvandva Bahupada Dvandva Samasaha Anantaram Tatpurusha Samasa Tattu Satu Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha Devaha Cha Deva. There also you have a Visarga Sandhi made. Devaha plus Cha Devascha Dvijaha plus Cha Dvijascha Guravaha Cha Guravascha Pragnaha plus Cha Pragnascha Sarvatra Visarga Sandhi Tatra Krutaha Devadvija Guru Pragnaha iti Dvandva Samasaha Anantaram Devadvija Guru Pragnanam Pujanam iti Shashti Tatpurusha Ahimsa Na himsa, that is very simple. Dvijaha
Vabhyam Jayate iti Dvijaha Upapada Tatpurusha Samasa.
So this is called Upapada Tatpurusha. When last class also I remarked, Upapada Tatpurusha is a variety of Tatpurusha Samasa, where the Vigraha Vakya is resorted, like for example, Jaha is there, Jayate, verb will be there, a verbal form will be there in this kind of Tatpurusha. Tinganta Pada Sahayena Yatra Vigraha Vakyam Rachitum Shakyate Sa Samasaha Upapada Tatpurusha Samasa iti Janantu Idanim. So Dvabhyam with two Jayati. Dvabhyam Janmabhyam Jayateva iti Dvijaha. One who is born twice born. Another interpretation is there. Dvihi Jataha. Dvihi two times Jataha. Tatra Dvijaha Brahmanaha Pakshinaha Dvijaha Pakshinaha Api Dvijaha iti Uchanti. Eto hi ekavaram Andasya Utpattihi Bhavati Janma Bhavati Anantaram Andat Pakshi Jayate Prathama Janma Anda Rupena Bhavati Srinivas Katam va Dvija iti Shabdasya Pakshi iti Arthaha Bhavati Ekavaram Sarva Prathamam Tatra Pakshi Anda Rupena Jayate Anantaram Andat Jayate Brahmana Vishaye Sarvepi Manavaha Janma Spikurvanti Anantaram Samskaraihi Dvija Uchyati Ataha. That. So Dvihi Jataha. Another interpretation is Dvabhyam Dvihi. Two times he is born. Okay, we'll go ahead. Krudantaha Kati Pancha Deva Dev Ach. दिव दीव्यति दिव यस गुरु गुरु या गुरु गुरु ku utvam, so you get guru. Sometimes it is guru also. Okay. Pujanam.
Puj is dhatu lift.
You know, there is another interpretation of Guru Shabda. Gum andakaraha ru rati nashayati iti. Guru Shabdaha. Guru Shabdasya kshamyatam utpattihi tatra vartate. Gum nama andakaraha ru rati nashayati iti. Guruhu sa guruhu yaha chhatrasya shishyasya andhakaram ajnanam nashayati. So Guru is also interpreted that way. Pujanam. Puja lyut pujanam. Charyam. Char iti dhatu. Yat. Dvijaha. Dvi. Dvi may not be. Dvi is a particle only. Jana iti dhatu. Jana iti dhatu. Sankhya shabda dvi. Sankhya shabda. Janiti dhatu. Da. From da you get a. So dvijaha. So etani krudanta padani santi. Taditantaha api chatvarah santi. Atra shaucham. Shuchehe. An. Arjavam. Rujoho bhavaha. Ruju an. Shariram.
Sharirasya idam. Sharira an.
An. Same way. Prajna.
Prajna eva.
Prajna eva. Prajna eva. Prajna plus and prajna. It becomes swarte. In the same sense. Prajna, prajna both are used in the same senses. Swarte means in the same sense. Prajna eva prajna. An. Prajna plus an. Swarte prajna it becomes. Vitpatti. Oh, Vitpatti is also giving Srinivas. Dvijaha.
Janmataha upanayanastascha varadvayam.
Varadvayam now dvivaram.
Varadvayam janma labhate.
So just I explained. Janmataha ekam janma svikaroti dvijaha. Upanayana samskarataha anyat janma svikaroti. Iti krutva varadvayam. Varadvayam na dvivaram. Dvivaram janma svikaroti labhate. Atah dvijaha. Prajnaha. Prakarshena prajna eva prajnaha. So that is it. Prajna eva prajna. Even on the above, prajna eva prajna it should be. Srinivas. Prakarshena. Exceedingly. He knows all in full. That is prakarshena sampurnena janati. Knows fully. Iti prajnaha. Prajnaha. Prakarshena janati iti prajnaha. Prajna eva prajnaha. That prajna himself is, that means one who is a, what do you call it? A highly learned person. Prajna is a highly learned person. Prakarshena, highly learned person. Janati. Okay. Paryaya shabda. Dvijaha. Acha, paryaya. Now synonyms are given here. Vitpatti is given above. The synonymous words, paryaya padani atra. Vipraha, brahmanaha, dvijatihi, dvijanma, agrajanma. So ete pancha padani tatra dvija iti shabdasya paryaya padani santi. Brahmacharyam iti padasya brahmacharyam cha yoshitsu. Brahmacharyam cha yoshitsu. Bhogyata buddhi varjanam. Understand? Brahmacharyam celibacy yoshitsu. Sorry. Yoshitsu means strishu. Yoshit shabdasya prayoga. Yoshit nama stri. Yoshitsu iti ka vibhakti yatra Srinivas? Saptami bhagavachanam. Strishu. Yoshit sthane stri shabda prayogam karotu bhavan. Yoshitsu nama strishu mahilasu bhogyata buddhi varjanam. Bhogyata buddhehe varjanam tyagaha. Tyajanam. Leaving the thought of enjoyment towards the women, that is brahmacharya. Leaving the very thought, abandoning the thought of enjoyment with regard to women. Yoshitsu strishu bhogyata buddhi varjanam. Understand? That is also equivalent to brahmacharya. Not having the very thought of that. Now, avadeyam to be noted, dvandva samasa vishaye. What is to be noted in this here? Bahupada dvandva is used. You can see devascha, dvijascha, guravascha, pragnascha. Any number of nouns can be put together in dvandva samasa and becomes bahupada dvandva. Abhyasa sankhya Srinivas sapta panchashattamaha. 57, make a correction as usual. Slokaha 68. Ashta षष्टितमः श्लोकः पुस्तके अधोलिखित शब्दानां समानार्थक शब्दत्रयम् द्विजः now you know already given here ब्राह्मणः Srinivas विप्रः ब्राह्मणः द्विजन्मा already given there द्विजातिः ब्राह्मणः विप्रः भूसुरः there is another word also भूसुर which is not given here so you can pick from here पर्याय शब्द विप्रः द्विजातिः द्विजन्मा प्राज्ञः विदुषः no synonyms are given here विद्वान् प्राज्ञः विद्वान् पंडितः विद्वान् मनीषी also शौचम. Any word you have in the text? Shuddhihi. Shaucham nama Shuddhihi. Shuddhihi Nirmalatvam or Nirmalam Pavitram. Shuddhihi Nirmalatvam Pavitram. Iti Trini Paryaya Samanarthaka Padani. Shaucham Arjavam. One word is found here. Where is it? Saralyam. That you can take. Saralyam and Rujuta, you can say. Rujuta, Akautilyam. Akautilya, opposite of that. Akautilyam, Arjavam, Rujuta, Saralyam. You can coin one more word as Avakrata. Avakrata is, I think, given here somewhere. Maybe somewhere listed. Avakrata. So these three. This we will write at the end. Please remember. Make a note also. Arjavam is Saralyam. Rujuta, avakrata. Uchyate, this is a tinganta padam. This is a verb. Kriya padam asti. Kathyate, iti dattam. Bhashyate. Uchyate, kathyate, bhashyate. Vada iti dhatuhu asti. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Vada dhatoho karmani prayoga katham bhavati. Udyate iti bhavati. Samprasarana. Vada, vadati. Karmani udyati is called. So kathyate, uchyate nama kathyate, bhashyate, udyati. Iti trini samanarthaka padani. So remember, we will write at the end. Pradattanam padanam pratipadikam. Okay, this is very simple. Any given clue? No. Shaucham, Shuchi, Arjavam, Ruju, Tapaha, Tapas, Shariram, Sharira, Ahimsa, Ahimsa only. Ahimsa Pratipadika is Ahimsa. So once again, rapidly do it. Shuchi, Ruju, Tapas, Sharira, Ahimsa is Ahimsa. Tutiyamsha Karmani Lat Lakare Prathama Purusha Rupani Likata. Okay. Bru or Vacha. Bru इति धातोः वच् इति धातोः कर्मणि रूपं समानं भवति, एकमेव रूपमस्ति, अतः दत्तमत्र। उच्यते उच्येते उच्यन्ते इज कॉल्ड आर कॉल्ड आर कॉल्ड। So now you do kru. Karmani, karmani, passive voice. Karmani lat lakare. Passive voice, karmani. Kriyate. Kriyate. Kriyate, kriyante. If you get one, you get all. Kriyate, kriyate, kriyate. अभ्या अस्माभिः संस्कृत स्वाध्याय पुस्तकस्य श्रीमद् भगवद गीता संग्रह पुस्तकस्य अभ्यासः क्रियते। किं क्रियते? अभ्यासः क्रियते। तन्नाम कर्तरि प्रयोग वयम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः। अस्माभिः अभ्यासः क्रियते। ओके, नेक्स्ट गम। गम्यते, गम्यन्ते। कथ, वन इज गिवन। कथ्यते, कथ्यते, कथ्यन्ते, उच्यते, लाइक विद, विद्येते, विद्यन्ते। स्मृ, स्मर, स्मर्यते, स्मर्येते, स्मर्यन्ते। So rapidly do this again. Kru, kriyate, gam, gamyate, स्मर्यन्ते इति रूपाणि भवन्ति। चतुर्थांशः श्लोकस्य भावार्थं पूरयेत्। दैट यू कैन डू। ईश्वरस्य
ब्राह्मणस्य गुरोः मनीषिणः च समर्चनं शुद्धेः पालनं सरलता ब्रह्मचर्य पालनं हिंसायाः त्यागः एतत् सर्वं शरीर संबन्धिनी तपस्या
कथ्यते। सो दैट यू कैन लुक एंड डू। पंचमांशः यथोचितं योजनं। नो मैच। शुचेः भावः शौचं, ऋजोः भावः ञ, शरीरेण सम्बद्धं घ, अर्चनं पूजनं क, न हिंसा अहिंसा। वेरी सिंपल। श्लोकानुसारं रिक्तस्थानं। देवस्य पूजनं शारीरं तपः उच्यते। द्विजस्य पूजनं शारीरं तपः उच्यते। गुरोः पूजनं शारीरं, प्राज्ञस्य पूजनं। सो तत्र त्रयाणां पदानां
द्विजस्य गुरोः प्राज्ञस्य,
क्षम्यतां, द्विजस्य गुरोः प्राज्ञस्य इति त्रयाणां पदानाम् अत्र लेखनमस्ति केवलम्। अन्ते अन्ते न, उपान्ते, लास्ट बट वन हियर, संधि विच्छेदनम। तप उच्यते। व्हाट इज टू बी डन? तपः उच्यते, मन उच्यते, राम एव, सर्वत्र विसर्ग लोपः। तत आगतः, ततः आगतः, भवत आदेशः, भवतः आदेशः। Meanings I think you know. Tapas, it is called tapat, mind is called Rama eva, Rama only. Tata agata came from that. Bhavataha adesha, your order. Iti arthaha. Antima amshaha, ashtama amshaha. Prakriti pratyaya vibhaga. Karanam. You can look to those who are following, please refer to page 309 to get some of these answers. Shaucham, Shuchi plus an, Arjavam, Ruju plus an, Pragnaha, Pragna plus an, Charyam, Char plus yat. These are all there, 309 page. I repeat, Shuchi an, Ruju an, Pragna an, and Charyam is Char plus yat, yat. So एवं सप्त पंचाशत्तमः अभ्यासः सुसंपन्नः। इदानीं श्लोकः नूतन 15 श्लोकः गीतायाः पठ्यताम्। सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव मह्यं तप उच्यते। पदच्छेदम्। अनुद्वेग करणं करं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रिय हितं च यत् स्वाध्याय अभ्यसनं च एव वाङ्मयं तपः उच्यते। वाङ्मयं तपः शारीरं तपः गतश्लोके शारीरं तपः किमिति उच्यते तत्र वर्णितमासीत्। इदानीं किं वर्ण्यते किमुच्यते वाङ्मयं तपः नाम किं कीदृशं भवति। वाङ्मयं तपः नाम कीदृशं भवति। वाङ्मयं तपः नाम ऑस्टेरिटी ऑफ स्पीच, bodily austerity, verbal austerity. How one should be in controlling the tongue, because tongue management is very important in life. They say, yogis tell us to have self-control. You start with the tongue control. Control your tongue. It does not only mean to speak less and speak when required, but also to control your food habits. Control your tongue means that. Thereby you can have control over the self. Jihvayattau vruddhi vinashau. Jihva ayattau. Jihvayam ayattau. Dependent on the tongue. Manushasya vruddhihi manushasya vinashaha. Jihvayattau vruddhi vinashau. So once vruddhi, once fall, destruction are dependent on one's own tongue. Beautifully said. When we come to Subhashitas, we will have more of this type. Now for this Padacheda is over? Not over. Anudvega karam vakyam satyam priya hitam cha yat. I think I have done it. Padaparichay I have to do. Padacheda is done. Anudvega karam. Pratama ekvachana. Vakyam. Satyam. Visheshana. Priyahitam. Priyahitam. Cha avyayam. Yat. Pratama ekvachanam. Swadhyayabhyasanam. Cha avyayam. Eva avyayam. Vaङ्myam. Tapaha sakaranta. Uchyate. Ita पूर्वमेव दृष्टं तत्र उच्यते उच्यते उच्यन्ते इति. Uchyanti, yeah. Akanksha tapaha uchyate is called tapasya. Like the previous akanksha it is, but one step more, one word is changed here. Kidrusham tapaha uchyate. What is, like what tapasya? What tapasya is called? Vaङ्myam tapaha. Tapaha means austerity. Vaङ्maya tapam. Vaङ्myam tapaha. The austerity speech, austerity of the speech is called. Kidrusham vakyam vaङ्myam tapaha. Kim vaङ्myam tapaha uchyate. What is called the austerity of speech? Speech. Words are called the austerity of the speech. Kidrusham vakyam vaङ्myam tapaha. What type of words are called the austerity of the speech? Anudvegakaram vakyam. Na udvegakaram. Anudvegakaram. Words or speech not hurting anybody's feelings. Anudvegakaram. Udvega means anxiety. Anudvega means not having any anxiety. So, not hurting the feelings of others. That is anudvegakaram vakyam. Punascha again, kidrusham vakyam. What type of words are called? Words which are truthful. Truthful words are also tapasya. That means speaking truth is tapasya. Isn't it? Not hurting anybody is vaङ्myam tapaha. Satya katanam vaङ्maya tapaha. Na paradushanam yadi na kriyate tadapi tapaha eva. Punascha kidrusham vakyam. Again, what type of words are called tapaha? Priyahitam vakyam. Words which are beneficial to others, which are pleasing to the others. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. Remember, we discussed this. Na bruyat, bru dhatu is there. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Satyam cha nanrutam bruyat. Yesha dharmas sanatanaha. So it's a wonderful poem where it says, you must speak the truth. Satyam bruyat. Vadet. Kathayet. Satyam kathayet. Satyam bruyat. Priyam api bruyat. Na bruyat, one should not speak. Satyam, the truth, apriyam. Unpleasant, unpalatable truth should not be told. Satyam cha, at the same time, satyam cha, truth also, nanrutam bruyat, na anrutam bruyat. One should not speak the truth which is false. It should not be false, truth should not be false. Truth should not be unpleasant. Such a truth should be one should speak. Very difficult. So, here, priyam hitam vakyam. So, that is tapasya. Priya hitam vakyam. Punascha kim vangmayam tapaha uchyate. Again, what austerity, austerity of speech is called? Swadhyayasya abhyasanam, swadhyayabhyasanam chaiva, and also practice of studying the Veda. Practicing the study of the Veda is also called Vangmayam Tapaha. Reading Sanskrit is also Vangmayam Tapaha. Any study, if one is seriously studying, that is Vangmayam Tapaha. Anvayartham padasi.
Anudvegakaram satyam priyahitam cha yat vakyam swadhyayabhyasanam chaiva tat vangmayam tapaha uchyate.
Anudvegakaram, not hurting anybody. Satyam, truthful. Priyahitam, pleasing and beneficial to others. Cha yat vakyam, whatever words are there. Swadhyaya abhyasanam chaiva, and at the same time, study of the Vedas, practice of the study of the Veda, tat, that Vangmayam, that speech, tapaha uchyate, that is called austerity of the speech. Padartham, Srinivas. Anudvegakaram, Praninam Dukkakaram. Praninam Adukkakaram. This is what Shankaracharya said. Praninam Adukkakaranam. Akleshakaram, adukkakaranam, akleshakaranam, adukka janakam, udvegam nama bhayam, also there. Na karoti iti anudvegakaram, bhayam na karoti na karayati. That is vakyam. Words which do not threaten anybody, which do not scare anybody, scaring words, hurting words are called udvegakaram. So, anudvegakaram, words which are not scaring, words which are not hurting. Satyam, yatartham, truthful. Priyahitam, hitakaram cha, ishtam cha. Preetikaram, which are pleasant and also beneficial. Yat vakyam, yad vachanam, vakyam nama vachanam, whatever. Here vachanam means words, you can say, sentence. Swadhyayabhyasanam.
Swadhyayah abhyasascha.
Swadhyayah abhyasaha cha. Swadhyaya means Vedanam abhyasa, adhyanam. Tasya adhyanasya abhyasaha. So study of the Veda, the practice of the study of the Vedas is correct only. Then Vangmayam tapaha uchyate. Chaiva chapi. Chapi. Chaiva chapi. Also Vangmayam tapaha uchyate.
Vacha sambandhini tapasya.
Vacha sambandhini tapasya. Sharira sambandhini tapasya iti gata sloke tatra artha dattah. Gata slokarthe sharira sambandhini samasya tapasya iti uktam. Atra vacha sambandhini tapasya अथवा भाषामयम वाङ्मयं नाम भाषामयं तपः। वाङ्मयं तपः नाम भाषामयं, वाक्मयं वाङ्मयं, भाषामयं तपः उच्यते। That is the austerity, penance of the speech. Katyate means uchyate, varnyate. Bhavartam Srinivas.
यत् अनुद्वेगकरं भाषणम् उद्वेगं न जनयेत् सत्यं प्रियकरं हितकरं च भाषणं स्यात् तत् वाङ्मयं।
Oh, it is very big.
उच्यते।
Okay.
तथा स्वाध्यायः अभ्यासश्चापि
यथा विधि
वाङ्मयं तव इति उच्यते।
Yat, whichever words, anudvegakaram, without any anxiety or without any anger, bhashanam udvegam na janayet. Anudvegakaram is also explained here. Bhashanam udvegam na janayet. Udvegam means bhayam, atankam or klesham na janayet. Those words which do not bring about anger or threat. Satyam or hurting. Satyam, truthful, priyakaram, pleasing, hitakaram, beneficial, bhashanam, speaking, whichever syat shall be. Tat, that vangmayam tapah iti, that is called the austerity, penance of austerity, katyati is called. Tatha, similarly, swadhyaya, study of the Veda, abhyasas chapi, and its practice also, yatha vidi, as per the rule, Vangmayam tapah iti uchyate. It is called the Vangmaya tapa, means austerity of speech. Okay, that is fine. Nidarshanam Srinivas. Vyakarnamshah sandayah santi swadhyayabhyasanam. Sarvatra savarnadiras. Chaiva vruddhi. Vangmayam, vak, anunasika sandhi. Tapa uchyati, visarga lopa sandhi, visarga. Samasatrayam anudvegakaram. Again, this upapada tatpurusha is coming. Na udvegaha, anudvegaha, nai tatpurusha. Udvega, anxiety. Anudvega, free from anxiety. Anudvegam karoti iti anudvegakaram, that which makes anxious, one anxious. Upapada tatpurusha. Priyahitam Srinivas. Priyam cha karmadhare. Priyam cha tat hitam, that is pleasing and also beneficial. Pleasingly beneficial. Can we say that in English? Pleasingly beneficial. Or pleasantly beneficial, you can say. Swadhyayabhyasanam.
Vedadhyayanam. Swadhyayah. Swadhyayah
cha abhyasanam cha anayoho samana.
Swadhyayabhyasanam samahara dvandva samana.
This is called samahara dvandva. Aggregate. Swa vedadhyanam. Swasya vedadhyanam. Swadhyayah. Swadhyayah cha abhyasanam cha. One is swadhyaya, another is abhyasanam cha. Anayoho samaraha. A group, an amalgamation of these two. Anayoho, dvayoho samaharaha. That is called swadhyaya abhyasanam samahara dvandva. Krudanta bahava santi. Anudvega. Aniti. It is a particle only, not upasarga. Uttiti upasarga. Anudvega. So 4 components are here. An, ut, vij, vi upasarga purvaka vij, vijayate. No, there is a dhatu, vijati, to tremble. Vijati, vijayati dhatu here. Gai. So anudvega is formed. Karam, kuru. Ta only. From ta, a. Vakyam, vach, nyat. Hitam, dha. Now here total change you find. Dha changes to ha. Dha changes to ha in tanta. In tanta it changes. Observe it. Hakarasya dhatvam, that is. Ha changes to dha. Dha changes to ha. Sorry, dhakarasya. So dha kta tanta it becomes hitam. Other examples I am not getting. Okay, I'll see. Adhyasa, adhi plus e. I'm sorry, adhyaya. Adhi plus e. E iti dhatu. Kahi adhyaya. Abhyasanam. Abhi iti upasarga. Asiti dhatu. Abhyasanam. So then satyam. Taditanta dvayam. Satyat. Satyat. Okay. Vangmayam. Vach. Mayat. There is a pratyaya called mayat, which mayam. Vangmayam you get by sandhi already explained. Nasika sandhi. Now abhyasa sankhya ashta panchashattamaha abhyasa. Make a correction as usual. 58. 58 abhyasa. Srinivas.
Yes. श्लोकानुसारम् उच्यतेन पदेन रिक्तं स्थानं पूरयता अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते.
That is, you can do. And the slokat padani chitva. Now you pick up words. Prathamantam samastam. Samastam. Anudvegakara is one.
Vakyam.
Anudvegakaram vakyam. Swadhyayabhyasanam 2. Priyahitam 3. Yeah.
So only 3.
Only 3 years. Prathamanta padani 3. Vakyam iti ekam padam.
Prathamanta samasta padani.
That is over. We have done anudvegakaram. Anudvegakaram, na Srina? One is that, anudvegakaram. Swadhyayabhyasanam is 2. Before that, priyahitam. Priyahitam comes from second. Anudvegakaram, priyahitam, swadhyayabhyasanam 3. Now 2. Prathamantam, asamastam. Not compounded. Prathama, but not compound words. Vakyam, satyam, tapaha, and then yat, vangmayam. Yat is also there. Yat, prathama, vangmayam is this. So repeat this. Satyam, vakyam, tapaha, yat, vangmayam. Etani pancha padani prathamanta asamasta padani. These are not compound words but uncompound words. What is that? Avyayam. There are 2 avyayam. Cha eva, eva. Cha eva, chaiva. Kriya padam, only one is there. I think. Uchyati. That's all. Kriya pada is uchyati. Sandhi chedam is sandhim. Disjoining. Chaiva, very easy. Chaitat. Etat. Kova sandhi. Vriddhi. Vriddhi sandhi. Chaivainam. Both ways. Ubhayatra vriddhi sandhi. Cha plus eva plus enam. Chaivainam. Tenaiva. Eva. Tena plus eva vriddhi sandhi. Punaha. Saiva. Sa plus eva. Sa plus eva saiva. Vriddhi sandhi. Saisha. Sa. Dirgha. Strilinga. Sa plus esha. That this is the same lady. Saisha Nari. This is the same lady. Sa plus esha. Sa plus eva. Saptama atraiva. Eva. Punaha vriddhi sandhi. Devaishwaryam. Deva Aishwaryam. Devaishwaryam. Vriddhiradaich. Vriddhi at aich. That is the sutra. Chaturtamsha slokasya anvayam. That you can do.
Anudvegakaram satyam priyahitam cha yat vakyam swadhyayabhyasanam cheva tat vangmayam tapaha uchyate.
पञ्चमांशः श्लोकं पठित्वा उत्तरं लिखन्तु। अनुद्वेगकरम् इति कस्य विशेषणपदम्? Of what is the adjective अनुद्वेगकरम्? वाक्यस्य अनुद्वेगकरम् इति वाक्यस्य विशेषणपदम् adjective अस्ति। कस्य अभ्यसनं वाङ्मयं तपः उच्यते? Whose study, let me translate, whose study is called Vangmaya tapas, or the austerity of the speech. Swadhyayasya, kasya will be replied Swadhyayasya. Priyahitam iti atra ityatra kaha samasaha. What is the compound word in the word priyahitam? Priyam cha tad hitam cha iti patitam karma dharaya. Priya hitam iti atra ityatra karma dharaya samasaha. Ante satyam bhashanam kidrusham tapaha uchyate. Speaking truth, truthful speaking is called what type of tapasya? Vangmayam tapaha uchyate. Satyam bhashanam, satya bhashanam Vangmayam tapaha uchyate. Think simple only na? So only answers I will repeat. Kasya ka vakyasya, ka swadhyayasya, ga karmadharayah, kidrusham vangmayam iti uttarani. Now matching the following here. Hitam vakyam goes with vakyam, hitam vakyam. So ga swadhyayasya abhyasanam gha vangmayam nya tapaha anudvegaha ka first one vikshepa hinata, absence of distraction. Vikshepa hinata means absence of distraction of the mind. Satyam yathartha. So rapidly, hitam swadhyayasya abhyasanam gha vangmayam anudvegaha satyam yathartam kha. So evam rupena tatra udaharani saptamamshah sandhim krutva sandhi nama sandeh nama sandher nama likhata. So okay, Vakmayam is Vangmayam Anunasika Sandhi. Dik Nagaha, Dik Naga, Din Nagaha. Din Naga is also a name of a writer. There is a poet. Din Naga also means the Naga means elephant, the elephant of the quarters. Ashta Dishaha Santi Kalu. Disham Ashta Dishanam Tatra Ashta Diggajaha Santi, Gajaha Santi, Ashta Dishaha Gajaha Samrakshanti iti yatra Pauranikam Tatra Kinchit Varnamasti. Sarvaha Dishaha Sarvahapi Ashta Dishaha Gajaihi Rakshyante iti. So Teshu Gajeshu Kaschana Gajaha Dinnagaha Dishaha Nagaha, the elephant of the direction. What direction? So an elephant of a quarter, one direction. That also is one of the meaning. Otherwise Dinnaga is a Buddhist writer, Dinnaga. Yeah, it is Anunasika Sandhi. Vakmayam, Vangmayam, that is there in the sloka. Vakmayam, Vangmaya. Oh, sorry. Vangmanaha. Same way you join. Vangmanaha. Jagat Nataha. Jagannataha. So this is a popular word. Chitmayam, Chinmayam. These are all Anunasika Sandhis. Ante Ashtamshaha. एतत् कर्तुम् इदानीं समय स्यात् वा न स्यात् नास्ति, केवलं पठामः। तपस् इति शब्देन वाक्यनिर्माणं करणीयं। यत् इति नपुंसकलिङ्गे करणीयम्। अनुद्वेग इति विशेषणपदमस्ति, एतेन विशेषणपदेनापि एकं वाक्यं करणीयम् अन्ते ब्रू इति धातुः अस्ति कर्मणि लट् कर्मणि न तु कर्तरि पैसिव् वाइस् उच्यते उच्येते उच्यन्ते इति यानि रूपाणि गतपृष्ठे दत्तानि सन्ति तानि आधारीकृत्य कानिचन तत्र वाक्यानि निर्मातव्यानि निर्मेयानि अत्र स्थापयामः। शुभं भूयात्।